XRP is pumping today. I believe it is beginning to wake up. This week is going to be especially very big as the manipulation is continuing to happen, except for XRP. And the manipulation is the stock market is literally about to break all-time highs. It is pumping nearly every single day. We have a Fed meeting this week, and I think they're going to potentially talk about interest rates, whether they're going to be cutting them in September. If they announce that, the market is going to react in a very bullish way. But let me show you guys what the heck is going on. So if we take a look at the XRP chart, this thing has reached nearly 61 cents today. That's absolutely massive. A huge pump today for XRP, almost up 8% from the top. Bitcoin we'd had a dump last night, which was very strange, by the way. There was no news, nothing, and just cryptos just kind of start dumping. So it's bouncing up again. And we have the S&P 500 nearly, if we zoom out here to the daily time frame, almost at all-time highs. This is the all-time highs here for the stock market, the S&P 500. Look, we are almost at the very peak. The NASDAQ almost at all-time highs again. The dollar is literally collapsing. The dollar is collapsing. This is the dollar here, the DXY. Cryptos are being heavily manipulated right now. And there's also a bunch of partnerships and bullish news taking place for XRP Ripple at the moment, but nothing groundbreaking. And what I think is taking place is people are buying in because something big is about to take place. A big move is about to take place. Some big news is likely to come out. And so what takes place and what is going on, insiders are loading up before this news comes out. And I think XRP is, a lot of XRP investors, a lot of XRP holders, they are potentially waiting to see if the SEC is going to appeal. I think they have like a month and a half or less, maybe 6-7 weeks left to appeal. And if they don't appeal, and it could be less, could be shorter time, I may have misread the information, but if they don't appeal, the market's probably going to react in a very bullish way. So XRP being a bit suppressed right now because of uncertainty, because I think people think that the SEC is going to appeal and that if the SEC appeals, the market is going to crash. Well, we're specifically speaking about XRP Ripple. But it doesn't look like the SEC is going to appeal. I think they probably would have already announced they're going to appeal, but they still have a certain time period to appeal. It's going to be their deadline to appeal. I don't think they're going to be waiting to that very deadline to appeal. But XRP is going up. It is bullish. And what I think is going to take place is a lot of people are expecting XRP to just, after this lawsuit is done with, which is done with now, to just go up to $3, $7, however many dollars. And it's just going to keep ripping up. No, it's still a crypto. It's still a part of the crypto ecosystem. So it's going to move with cryptos. But what I think is going to happen is when certain news comes out, yes, it will pump. But what I ultimately think is going to happen is that when the crypto market really starts to pump, that's when XRP is going to pump, but it's going to outperform. Just like Solana did last year, did a 10x. I think XRP is probably going to do something like that, but probably even more bullish. And look at this. This is something quite interesting. This is when all the finance bros come back to the office and leave the Hamptons in south of France. This is actually true. Monday, September 2nd, which we're just basically 2 weeks away. Observed, actually less than 2 weeks away. Sorry for that. Observe the first Monday in September. Labor Day is an annual celebration of social and economic achievements of American workers. What I think this particularly means is that we are in the summer months, and in summer months, there is not much liquidity. Hedge funds, institutions, the people that are managing the billions of dollars in this industry, trillions of dollars, they're on vacation. And when the summer months end and these people return from vacation, that's when they start buying and allocating the fund's money, their liquidity, to crypto and certain assets. So I think in September, and what we have seen 4 years ago in that last cycle, is that September, after the halving, is when the market really began to take off. It wasn't right when the halving started. It was like a couple of months, several months after the halving, and then the market really started to take off. It doesn't take off in the summer months. It never does. There's just not enough liquidity. So I think that in September, we're going to be very, very bullish for all cryptos, and you guys better get ready for that. Most importantly, we are making insane profits in the Patreon. You guys can have access to my calls. You guys can follow my day trades where I'm making thousands of dollars every single week. Join the Patreon for that. We have live sessions. You can learn how to trade crypto as well full time. Every single week I teach it live. If you guys want to have access to that, join the Patreon right now. The link is in the video description. As well, you guys really need to be using ALGOSNIPER Trading Indicator. This thing is absolutely insane. It will tell you exactly when to buy and sell before a pump or dump happens in the market. And you guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. You will first need a TradingView account. It's a free account where you can plug in the ALGOSNIPER Trading Indicator, which will be manually added once you sign up. As well, if you guys are going to be trading cryptos, make sure you're doing it over on Blowfin. It's a platform that me and my community trade on. There's up to a $7,000 deposit bonus. If you guys click on the link in my video description, you guys can also achieve and lock in the cheapest fees on any trading platform in the world by using Blowfin. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on. I will see you later.